You can solve problems by using linear equations, but we have to follow a few steps. The first step is you have to find the unknown quantity. So find the unknown parameter or quantity. The second step, translate the problem into an equation. Into an equation. And then the third step, you have to solve the equation. And then the last step, you should check your solution. Okay, let's do example 9. When a number is trebled and subtracted from 7, the result is -11. Find the number. Okay, first of all, what is the unknown? The unknown is this number. So the number that we have here is the unknown, and we call that unknown x. We have to translate the problem, so the second step. The first step is finding the unknown quantity x. The x is the number that we have there. And we have to, so that number is trebled and then subtract from 7. So we do 7 minus 3 times x, and that should be equal to -11. The third step is we have to solve this equation. Okay, what we can do is we can move the 7 to the right hand side. There we have to subtract, so it's -7. So minus 3x should be equal to -18, or x should be equal to -18 over -3, which is equal to 6. So the answer should be 6. And we can check our answer. Okay, so when the number 6 is trebled, so times 3, then we get, so when 6 is trebled, we get 18. And if we subtract that from 7, when we subtract that from 7, we get -11. And it's correct, because we should get -11. Okay, let's go to example 9 and 10. What number must be added to both the numerator and the denominator of 1 over 3 to obtain a fraction equal to 7 over 8? So first of all, we have to find the unknown quantity. That is the number here. So x is that number. Then we have to translate it into an equation. Yeah, so we add x to the numerator, we add x to the denominator, and that should be equal to 7 over 8. And we have to solve this. And we can solve that. We can do cross product. So multiply those two with each other, and that should be equal to multiplication of those two. So 1 plus x times 8 should be equal to 7 times 3 plus x. So 1 times 8 is 8, x times 8 is 8x, 7 times 3 is 21, 7 times x is 7x. Move all the terms with x to one side, so we keep the 8x here, the 7x to the left hand side is minus 7x, we keep the 21 on the right hand side, and the 8 to the right hand side is minus 8. So 8x minus 7x is x, 21 minus 8 is 13. So the number is 13. Okay, I did here step 2 and step 3 at the same time. So I translated into an equation and then I solved the equation. So maybe step 3 is here. Now we can check our solution. So when we add 13 to the numerator and to the denominator, we get 14 over 16, and that is 7 over 8, and that is what we should get.